Nice!
OMG,
Dito kami sa ano guys, Chicago daw, Chicago. Chicago place, woo, building! Birthday boy, tulog.
Birthday boy,
Boy.
Birthday boy, wake up.
Wake up.
Birthday boy, wake up. Birthday boy, birthday boy, wake up.
Tulog.
Birthday boy, station. Mama's calling you.
Okay, there's still about 1 minute.
Yeah. 5 minutes each. Or here.
Different train stop.
The different train stop. Oh, wow.
Look at the train.
Papa, when I was 3 years old, we used to count the buses.
Another place. We're here.
Where's
Lakad-lakad lang.
Where's Violet? Oh my God.
Nandiyan kami sasakay guys. Fly over Canada. Daming tao ngayon dito sa Canada Place kasi dito rin yung sakayan ng mga pupunta ng cruise. Kaya maraming tao. Ganda talaga ng view dito.
Oh, there's a
Nice view.
yeah.
Say hi, where are you?
Hi, peace.
Go walk, go walk. Go. Port of Vancouver. Kaya pupunta. Fly over Canada. Okay, nabili na kami ng ticket.
Candy for
Kakain muna daw kami.
what juice do you want?
Dito na lang kami kakain muna.
Apple juice. Mama, here's my candy soda.
There's the birthday boy.
Soda. Diba, juice soda.
My soda.
Aki. Aki.
So, ano kakainin natin?
Actually, ganda rin.
Hello, birthday boy. Happy birthday. Hi, Lola. Si Lola, mataas na naman sugar. There's mama, oh. So pretty, oh. Aki. Aki. Say hi. Hi, diba? Sure, eating na naman. So, we're eating again. Naghihintay lang kami ng sinaing kasi nagsasaing. So, we will eat something bago kami sumakay na fly over Canada. So, papasok na kami. Oh, yeah. Pasok na kami sa loob. Ito yung leading line. Amplify your senses.
Bye.
Diba, naghihintay na lang kami. Pasok kami sa loob.
I was wondering why you passed.
Yun yung birthday boy, oh. Birthday boy! Birthday boy!
Chrissy's birthday. This is not.
Wait! So, bago pumasok sa loob, ganito muna. Siguro dito yung ano, yung parang mag-orientation muna. Yan.
Mama, Mama, is this the file over Canada? Is this a seat
Yeah.
for the driving?
So we will watch Chicago.
Chicago.
Yeah, Chicago stuff.
Ballerina. Oh, I want to watch ballerina. I'm gonna watch
Ballerina,
this
that.
next time.
A plaza. Yeah. We're waiting. Bago pumasok sa loob.
Beginning of your journey. A custom immersive experience followed by a short safety briefing.
The place where we
this one really easy.
Pasok na kami sa loob.
Yeah, let's keep this.
Uy, bawal na yan.
Hindi ko yo. Napupunta na kami sa spaceship.
Spaceship.
Tara tayo ng spaceship. Hi, birthday boy.
I'm praying, guys.
Hi, Diva.
Hi.
I will hold you, don't worry about it.
Mama, I'm praying too. Yeah,
Are you ready, guys?
so excited.
Yan na, sakay na kami. Let's go. So, yun yung buong screen, guys.
Happy birthday.
Yun yung buong screen.
My
Ayun
bag
sila lahat. Yes.
Did you check my bag is okay?
There you go.
Okay.
It is okay. That's good. Yan. Alright, start na. Oh, we're flying.
Maria,
We're flying.
oh, I
Woo! Wow.
I can feel me.
Nice.
OMG, where
Dito kami sa ano, guys? Chicago daw, Chicago. Chicago place. Woo! Building! Wow! Okay, tapos na kaming manood ng Flyover Canada. Pina na kami. Ano mo naman yun? Did you have fun, birthday boy?
She wants. Yeah.
Super fun? Nice.
The reason why Papa didn't let her to fight
Ano kayo?
because she saw that he could.
Enjoy ka ba, anak? Did you have fun?
Yep.
This is the birthday boy.
Best
How old are you?
9.
Best day ever?
Pass.
We'll do it again?
Of course. I'm gonna wait.
Canada place.
Remarkable for us.
A lot of times that I see my students shopping, they will be like so excited. Professor.
Viva!
Saan tayo? To the left. I will go this.
O, rest muna daw si Lola.
Smile, smile, right? Wait. 1, 2, 3. Go. Look at that.
The next morning.
Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So today is May 10, 2026. Ngayon po ay araw ng mga nanay. So happy Mother's Day po sa lahat. Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga subscribers natin at nanonood sa atin, guys. Happy Mother's Day. So for today, may pipikapin tayo. Siyempre guys, hindi tayo nakakalimot sa mga ganitong okasyon, di ba? So pupunta tayo doon sa suki nating, of course, flower shop para bumili ng flowers. Para hindi lang sa asawa ko, sa mother-in-law ko rin kasi nandito yung aking mother-in-law. So bibilhan din natin siya ng flowers. Ganyan natin kung paano i-appreciate ang mga nanay, no? Yung mother ko sa Philippines, mama, happy Mother's Day. Pasensya ka na, wala ako dyan, pero alam mo naman na lagi kang nasa puso ko. Di ba? So, hindi kita nakakalimutan everyday. So mag-ingat ka palagi dyan and alam mo naman na mahal kita, no? So, see you soon, di ba? See you soon. Sana makapunta ka rin dito sa Canada soon. Okay? Ayan. So, yan yung mga gagawin natin today. Bibili rin tayo ng cake, no? Para sa Mother's Day and also para dun sa anak ko na pangalawa. Kasi kahapon, birthday niya kahapon. Kaya nga kami nagpunta dun sa, ano nga ulit yun? Flyover Canada. Yan. Kasi yun yung request niya kahapon, no? Na gusto daw niyang puntahan ulit yung Flyover Canada. So yun yung nakita niyo sa video. Na para kami nasa roller coaster na mayroong malaking big screen, di ba? So, yun guys. Request yun ng aking pangalawa. na as a gift, no? And then, syempre, hindi naman pwedeng wala siyang cake. So, meron siyang cake plus bibili na lang tayo ng siguro spaghetti and palabok, no? For long life. Ayan. So, yeah. Pero, kukunin muna natin yung kukuha muna tayo ng flowers kasi hindi nga alam ni Mrs. guys na pupunta ako doon. So, syempre, nagpalusot tayo ng konti na may kukunin lang ako or may pupuntahan lang ako sandali, no? Palagi tayong ganon, no? I love surprises. Ayan. So, sinusurpresa talaga natin sila lagi. Hey, dito na tayo guys. Central City. Dito tayo bibili ng flowers. Bibili na tayo ng bulaklak ng asawa natin tsaka ng mother-in-law ko. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga selections guys. Yun yung flower shop. Continental Flowers. Parang ako unang customer ah. There you go. Here. Tayo ng bulaklak. Ganda naman, oh. Nabibili natin. So, nakapili na ako, guys. Yun. Bibili natin yan. Ganda, di ba? Yan talaga. Gagasusan natin asawa natin, di ba? Eh, nakabili na tayo ng flower, guys. Uwi na tayo. So, yan, guys. Kompleto. Siyempre, sa asawa ko. Sa daughter ko, and of course, sa mother-in-law ko. Ito na, uwi na tayo guys.
Happy Mother's Day!
Nakuna na pala ng boy. Walang pala ng bulaklak. Dito sa gilid ng uyan. Ano ko yun ako?
Ang Valentine lang. Valentine wish yan ha. Happy Mother's Day!
Kasi pagkaan yan.
And we're back. Sama ko na yung aking mahal na ina,
Charot!
mahal na asawa. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you.
Love you too.
Yan. So, nandito kami sa mall. Ano gagawin natin dito?
Biling cake ni Percy.
Bibili tayo ng cake. Para sa pangalawa ko kasi nag-birthday siya kahapon. Kailangan niya mag-blow ng candle. And punta kami ng Jollibee. Punta tayo Jollibee ba? Oo, punta tayo ng Jollibee. Ayun. Let's go. Oh, syempre, bibili natin. Jollibee.
Yeah. Share the truth? Ay, si Guapa Diyos
Jollibee. Let's go.
3 and a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Percy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Percy. Make a wish, baby, make a wish.
Make a wish.
Blue, blue.
Make a wish. Haba niyan ah. Yay!
Mikini!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Percy.
Percy. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Chicken roll, palabok, spaghetti,
Ay, asa na?
and ice cream cake.
Paano ba ito baliktarin? Ganon?
Are you happy birthday, boy?
Ang ganon. Super happy.
Ano ba yan? Ba't di ko
Parang hindi.
How do you flip this? Ah, this one.
Are you hungry?
Goodness. I haven't ate breakfast yet. iPhone.
Yes, we will eat na.
Shaw's Burger.